Welcome back, metal and enthusiasts. Today we dive into the fascinating world of metal table legs, waveform meets function and perfect harmony. Either you are furniture or DIY enthusiast, choosing the right table legs can elevate your space to new height of slight durability. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the vast array of options available, covering everything from design, consideration of material voice, on LED drive right to unlock to secret table legs. First, let's discuss the importance of design when it comes to selecting the perfect table legs. Table legs come in various shapes, size, and style, each offering a distinct aesthetic appeal. Whether you prefer sleek and modern, rustic and industrial, or orient and inventive rear design, or to vast your unique task, consider the overall theme and ambience of your space to ensure the table legs seamlessly integrate with your exciting decor. Now let's shift your focus to the material using the crafting material table legs. Steel, stainless steels, iron, and aluminum are some of the most population choice due to their durability and versatility. Steel now to its expandation strength, its steel form heavy duty application, making it a reliable choice of commercial space. Stainless steel offer excellent correction to timeless resistance marketing. It perfect to outdoor high moisture environment. Iron bring a touch of timeless elegance and can be crafted into intricate design, while aluminum provide lightweight option without compromising on strength. When selecting table legs, it is essential to consider the intended use to load bearing capacity, a steady base ensures stability and longevity, preventing wadding and captivating manufacturer to make the informed decision based to your table dimension and use requirements. Either you are featuring a dining table, a desk, or a coffee table, choosing table legs that can support that weight to procedure for the functional and shape setup. Let's explore the installation option valuable of table legs. Manufacturer offer various installation methods including bottles, tool legs, section legs, and stable legs. Sports on legs provide a robust and permanent attachment, ensuring the table stay firmly in space when needed. Prime legs offer the flexible solution, allowing for easy assembly for disassembly when needed. Adjustable legs come handy when dealing with even surface on when you desire to flexibility to alter the table height. Now let's talk about finish that containing tomato table legs. This not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide legs their scratches, corrosion, and wear over time. Power coating to popular choice, offering a wide range of color, texture to finish. while providing a durable and chip resistance OS. Other options include brush, finish, polish service, and specialized coating designed for specific environment of aesthetic. Maintaining another crucial aspect to consider when investing in metal legs. Most metal legs require minimal upkeep thanks to their inherent strength and durability. Regular cleaning with mild soap or water followed by drying is visually insufficient to keep them looking their best. For certain fishes or coating, manufacturer by provide specific maintenance instruction to ensuring long-lasting beauty and functionality. Let's touch upon customization option for matchable legs. Many manufacturer option customization services allowing you to tailor legs to your exact specification, whether it's modified height, alternating the design, add, adding personalized engraving, custom table legs can transform your furniture into the true reflection to your style and individually. Our journey through the world of table legs, we hope you gain valuable insight and inspiration to remarkable your own design venture. Remember, the right table legs are not a fundamental necessary but also statement pieces that can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of